morning everyone. Myself Himanshu Patel from class BSc first year Life Science plus Biotechnology. Here I am going to explain my Rangoli. And my topic is Corona Warrior. Okay, let's move to our Rangoli. I make the Rangoli on the occasions of 100 crore vaccination complete in India. It is a very proud moment for India and for me that 100 crore vaccinations are completed in our India. And you also know that it's also break the world record in the vaccinations. I salute our great scientist for her great hard work to make vaccine against this corona, and it helps a lot to all over India, not even India, it's all over India. Okay, let's move to our Rangoli. Salute our great scientist for her great hard work to make vaccine against this corona, and it helps a lot to all over India, not even India, it's all over India. So I also make the Rangoli on the occasions of this 100 crore vaccinations complete. So I dedicate the Rangoli to the great scientists, great doctors, great policemen, good scientists or good the vaccinations teams. I also thanks to the IPS Academy College to give this opportunity to make these Rangolis, to take part in the Rangoli competitions, and I dedicated this Rangoli to all the Indian teams, those who fight against or those who work in this pandemic. So if you like my video, please like my video and please subscribe my video, and let's move to our rangolis. I wish you all a happy Diwali in the advance, but I request you to all please celebrate the Rangoli with safe. Please, I also request to you to please also plant the one plant on the occasions of the Diwali for our environment.